Hey guys, my name is Wout and I have the pleasure today of introducing the Wisefab rear kit for Corvette C5 and C6. Behind me is the 2022 HP Chasers FD car as driven by Richard Advani. We have this kit on the car for a while, we've been testing it, we really like it. For 2023 we've built another car, which is over here, and we're going to be using both these cars to show you guys the new Wisefab rear kit and show you all the features and explain a little bit in depth about what this kit is all about. The contents of the kit, obviously you get an upper control arm that's adjustable, different lengths here for the C5 and the C6, it's all in the manual. This has the very well-known Wisefab quick adjusters. So the quick adjusters use a number 8 Allen for locking it in place and a number 10 Allen for the adjustability, and there's a 13 for the clamping bolts here. The biggest piece is going to be the lower control arm. Same thing, this has the quick adjusters as well with a number 17 wrench for the locking bolts. The bow-shaped tie rod over here with the clockwise and counterclockwise threads. It's super easy, super quick to adjust. It's incredible. You just move the wrench, which is a 17, just move the wrench a little bit and it already adjusts a lot. Another cone piece that goes into the original knuckle with a Wisefab spherical with the well-known number 10 Allen. As you can see, there's a lot more clearance here compared to the original tie rod of the Corvette, which is obviously straight, sits really close to your shock, and the shock also sits further away, so it's easier to replace drive shafts and there's more room for the bigger, stronger drive shafts. It's a lot easier to take the shock out because everybody who knows Corvettes knows it's not really super easy or quick to remove the rear shock, and of course it works with the dual caliper kit as well. And of course the tie rod piece which threads into the original hole in the subframe for the tie rod. Here you have another piece that comes with the kit. You drill 2 holes in the subframe to accommodate this piece. Obviously the hardware is provided with that, so you bolt it all in place and you have a really nice strong base for the tie rod, which has adjustability here for the bump steer or dynamic toe, 2 positions over there. As you can see, it's a little different when the bump steer adjustment fits to the subframe rather than to the knuckle. If you move it up or down, it is exactly the opposite as when it's adjusted on the knuckle, like for instance an S chassis. The shock mounts on this mount, and that mount actually has various positions over here, so it just bolts straight through, and you can put it in this location and you can put it in that location. Which changes the motion ratio, so it's almost like changing the spring rate without changing the spring rate. Of course you can do this really quick. That's super interesting over there. And this is also made in a way that it's going to be the weakest link, so if you crash the car you're not going to break the knuckle and have a lot of work replacing the wheel bearing and the potentially the drive shaft. You're just going to be bending this piece. And here you obviously have the pickups for the sway bars, which are also adjustable, so you can make it stiffer or softer on the sway bar setting right over there. So you use the OEM knuckle, which are easy to get, which are cheap, and there's the Wisefab spherical that presses in there. And obviously all the arms come with the correct pieces, the conical shaped pieces to turn this into a spherical as well. And we've been driving this for many laps on this car. As you can see, it's seen a lot of tire wear, and it really doesn't skip a beat. Everything is still exactly as it was when we installed it on the car, so super happy with that. Obviously all the hardware is also super high quality. I know people that have had the hardware on the car for 10 years, it's still great. Wisefab axle over here, obviously also available for the Corvette. Of course the spares on Wisefab is also something that we're really proud of. Everything has its own little part number. You can get everything worldwide real quickly, super easy, and that's a very important part obviously for any program, to be able to get the spares quickly and identify them. Taylor Hull has also been driving with this kit in Formula Drift. He really likes it. Richard Advani obviously has been driving it on the HP Chasers cars, and I hope you guys will enjoy this kit just as much as we have, and I can't wait to hear your opinion about this.